Hi everyone! In the last video you saw how you can use Postradamus to find content and where you can create your own content. And in this video we'll see how to actually use this content, how to save it, how to curate it, how to modify it, and how to create your own custom content. So first, let's find some content so we have something to work with. I will search for some panda pictures from Pinterest and I will select the ones that I would like to use. To somehow save these selections, I will add the selected posts to a list. You can either select an existing list or you can create a new list for these posts. Since I haven't yet created any lists, I will make a new one and I will call it Cute Pandas. And now I'll just click on Add to List and these selected posts will be added to the list that I just created. I will add a few more posts. I'll run the search again, but this time I will search for Cute Pandas. And notice the checkbox here, don't show content I've already saved. When this checkbox is selected, the posts that I already saved to a list just now will not show up in the search results again. And this is useful if you want to avoid adding duplicates to your lists. So I'll select a few more posts now, and this time I will add them to an existing list because I already have a list that I want to use, the Cute Pandas list. So let's go to our list now and see how it looks. You can access it from this link on the top, or you can go to Lists Not Ready. Every new list you create will initially be in the Not Ready status. We will go over the meaning of this label and the other labels in the next video, but for now just remember that all new lists are by default saved under the Not Ready label. So here are the posts that I selected from Pinterest and added to the Cute Pandas list. We will go through the post options first. You can edit the posts, remove the posts from the list, select multiple posts or select all of them and perform some actions in bulk, and edit the images. The list options include creating a brand new post, changing the view layout between gallery, grid, or calendar, searching through your list, modifying the list. Next we can schedule the posts in bulk, or we can sort the posts in the list by their WordPress title, which you assign yourself, by the origin, so where the posts came from, example from Pinterest, from Facebook, from Twitter, or from your local computer, and so on. To start editing the posts, you will click on this pencil icon under the post that you want to edit. Here, we can edit the text of the post. You can delete the entire text and you can add your own text, or you just leave it empty. You can also add emojis to the text. On the left, we have the image video options. We can remove the current picture or video, or we can replace it with our own content from our computer. Here at the bottom, we have a link field. On some sites like Facebook and Twitter, link posts are different from other posts. If you are posting a link to a blog article, for example, you can include the link to the article here, and you will see a preview of what your post would look like once it's posted to Facebook or Twitter. And if you would prefer to not use a link post, you would then just add the link to the article right here in the text box. And when we're done editing the post, we will just click Save or click Cancel to cancel the changes. We can also edit the images of the posts. To edit an image, just hover over it and click on the image icon in the top right corner. This will open an image editor inside Postradamus where you can add some custom text to the image. You can also add meme text, and you can add your own image like a logo or a copyright or a call to action. To create a brand new post, click on the New Post button. We will see the same window as when editing a post, which means that you can add your own text, your own picture or your own video, a link, and so on. Clicking Create will add this post to the current list. If you don't like this preview of the list, you can change it from gallery to grid, or you can change it to calendar view, which will be useful later on when we start scheduling the lists. When you have a really big list with dozens or hundreds of posts, you can use the search function to search for a particular post. Click on More Options to search the link fields or texts in the post or even WordPress titles. If you want to rename your list or delete all posts in it or make a copy of it, then you can use the appropriate option here from the Modify List dropdown. Lastly, to create a brand new list, you can either create it as you are adding content, like we did in the beginning with the pandas, or you can create it here by clicking on the New List button. This will create a new blank list. And to delete a list, you can click on the trash can icon here, or you can select it and click Delete. And this concludes the tutorial on lists. In the next video, I will show you how to schedule the posts and how to actually start sending them to your social media sites.